North Central Weed Science Society, Joe Werfel, the proceedings editor for the society, and I'm shooting this video on behalf of the board of directors and local arrangements to show everybody, number one, how to get into the meeting, and number two, what to expect once you get into our virtual meeting. So to access the virtual meeting, this will be, of course, on Monday is when all the events kick off. You'll be able to access the meeting starting Monday morning, 8 a.m. Central Time. You'll be able to start to access the posters. And then, of course, the general session starts at 1 p.m. Central Time. Okay, so I'm going to click on the Members Only tab to access the meeting link. You, of course, have to sign in using your username and password. If you have any challenges with this, please get in touch with our Executive Secretary, Kelly. So I hit login, and once you log in, what you'll see is this enter this 2020 virtual meeting button. Now I'll click on this now, and you'll see that the meeting isn't live until Monday. Once Monday rolls around, it will take you directly to the virtual meeting website. So moving to the virtual meeting website, once you actually are able to access the virtual meeting website, this is the first thing that you'll see once you log into it for the first time. You'll see this prompt to click on the menu button in the lower right hand corner and enter your full name and register. So I'm going to show you how to do that here real quick. So we're talking about this menu button that's down here in the bottom right. Click on this, and what you'll see is it just gives me a random guest number name. What we're hoping to do is we have these chat functions embedded into the website. They're going to be really crucial to the success of our meeting and our interactions within the meeting. So we'd ask that everybody goes in and actually signs up within the website here. So click on that sign up button, click on login by email, and then you have to click new user register now. So we click on that, put in your email, then put in your username. Your username, in my case, is going to be my full name, Joe Werfel, and then go ahead and register a password. And that will be it. Hit sign up, and that way everybody knows who you are when you're actually in the chat and you're conversing with people in a poster session, for example. Now, back to the event. So there's a lot of things going on this website. I'm just going to quickly walk you through some of the key highlights. The first thing is you have access to the abstracts here. You have access to the full agenda and our code of conduct here, all in these buttons. You can see that we've got various tabs that get you to various places in the meeting. So, for example, if you just scroll down on the home page, you have access to the various Zoom sessions where oral talks will be given. Of course, you've got all the timings of those oral talks, and all you have to do is click join event. It'll take you straight into the Zoom meeting. If you want to get to another session, there will be 2 concurrent oral sessions that'll be running. If you want to get to the other session, you just have to back out, get back to this link, and join it that way. You can see, we've got the Quiz Bowl session here in the agenda. This will be on Monday, Monday late afternoon. Again, just find it in the agenda, hit join event. Okay, I also want to make sure that we highlight the poster session. This again will be available each day of the event. You see we've got all the posters listed here. If you just click on the name, for example, it'll take you to the poster on the web browser. It's a little bit difficult to zoom in and out with the web browser, so another thing that you can do is just click on the download button just to download the poster, and then you can zoom in and out as a PDF. The other really neat function, this is why it's important that you put your full name in, is you can use the chat function to ask questions directly to the author. This is especially going to be important for poster and paper judges, that they utilize these chat functions, whether it's in Zoom or whether it's here in the poster sessions, to ask questions to the students in the contest. Okay, that's it on posters. One other really key thing I wanted to make sure I pointed out was the chat rooms. These are actually more like Zoom rooms where people are going to be able to get together at a specific time. They're going to be available, I think, on Tuesday from noon to 1, and go in there and just talk about these high-level topics like amaranthus species, and have a discussion with other experts that are in the Zoom room. The last thing I want to point out is the Contact Us button. So this is where you go to if you have any questions around functionality. So Thanks for your time, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the meeting.